Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You fill a large plastic bag with ice and salt, and then put a smaller bag inside with a cup of ice cream mix. After some agitation, the mix in the inner bag will get cold enough to freeze into ice cream. 12 August 2010.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To make homemade ice cream without a machine, simply whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Fold the whipped cream into the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract. Add flavor mix-ins. At this stage, you can fold in any desired flavorings or mix-ins.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Replace the milk or half and half in your ice cream recipe with heavy whipping cream. By using more fat in your ice cream mix, you will keep the ice cream softer and creamier than if you had made an ice milk or sorbet.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes. It's not because it's cheaper, although it is if you make and consume large quantities of ice cream, which you should be doing if you want to enjoy life to its fullest. It's not even because homemade ice cream is significantly better or higher quality than store-bought, although it certainly can be, and often is.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.